Hello everyone. I want to share something about an animal, about an insect which which always annoyed me when I am studying, when I am sleeping, and at night they don't usually come, but they come to the light of electricity. And I am sharing you this animal. I think its name in English is cicadas, but there are two. I think there are more than 3,000 species of cicadas, but this is particular type of cicadas, which is annual cicadas. You can hear the sound in background. Very annoying sound. Sometimes it's pretty good, but most of the time it is not a good sound. It's very strange sound. Like, what is about it? Where it is, I want you to you can see this. I think it is not coming in the camera, so I am going to another cicada so you can see it. I am in Swat, Pakistan, and I was returning home from my sister house, and on the way I searched something about this cicadas, and I think it is worth explaining to someone to shoot this thing. This is, as you can see, this is that cicadas. If I am wrong about the name of this insect, you can correct me in the comment below. And I also want you to share something about this area. You can see it. It is a nice and beautiful and very beautiful and lovely season or weather. So I can replace it with weather. Sorry for my English. I am not good. I am not that good in English. So I want you to share something about this area, which is very good and definitely very good. It is. Oh, here is a goat. I don't have a microphone to that so that my voice can be very slow in this video, but anyway, I will upload this video to the YouTube channel so that I can see what happens. And I don't have microphone in camera, but this mobile phone is also good in that thing. So I am returning back. I think in the United States these cicadas are eaten for protein in this, but this type is very weird for someone in this thing. تصديق ده؟ ايه تصديقها؟ هاي